Good morning!
Good morning!
Oh, good morning!
Good morning! Oh, guten Morgen!
Good morning. It is day 3 or 4. To be honest, I don't know what day it is here in Iceland with the photography workshop. We're at icons today. Some of the most iconic places in the south of Iceland. We're at Seljalandsfoss right now. It's back that way. I've shot this 4 or 5 times, and I've always shot from up on the slope that classic image every single time. And part of this whole trip, part of the point of this whole trip for me is to try to shoot things differently. Try to maybe not get shots that other people haven't shot, because Iceland's been shot so much that's pretty impossible, but shoot images that I've never shot before. So I'm not even gonna go up the slope this time. I think I'm gonna find somewhere in the front of the waterfall and shoot something, yeah, just straight on. So I guess here's some B-roll from myself and Greg, and let's get some photos. Out of nowhere, we just got really pink skies up top, and it was beautiful. I'm happy with where I went, but this is happening a lot in Iceland where they're roping off areas. You used to just be able to walk down this side of the river and get the bridge in the foreground, which is what I wanted. But yeah, you can't do that anymore, and you really you have to follow the rules, because Iceland gets trampled over so much that it just destroys all the nature. So trying to follow the rules the best we can here, and I'm really happy with that photo. It's not the greatest composition, it's really simple, but when the light's that good, it doesn't matter, you just take the picture.
What are you doing?
Paying for parking. $7 to park at Seljalandsfoss.
We're at Skogafoss, so we have asked Jody to stand in front as a model. And we're asking the group to use their telephoto lens, because it's difficult when you show up at a location like Skogafoss, and it's a really big waterfall. But it's difficult to put it on an image, so the people are seeing your image are understanding how big the waterfall is.
We stopped quickly at Skogafoss to do a bit of a lesson, and it's so busy there that we bailed pretty quickly after the lesson, and we're now heading to a waterfall that we like to call Secret Waterfall. And it's not actually a secret, and there is a name for it as well, but we just kind of don't like giving the name away so that it doesn't get too busy here at the Secret Waterfall. It's just so nice because you're pretty close to Skogafoss, which is packed with people, and here it is really quiet. So we're gonna go in, try to get a couple photos, but to be honest, we're having a problem you don't often have here in Iceland, in that there's not a cloud in the sky. But the sun at noon is right on the horizon, so the light's still kind of golden, and we're gonna make it work. was a fun little shoot down here at Secret Waterfall. We're now heading to Vic. A lot of you guys have been asking if I've been taking my pictures on the EOS R or the 5D. And for the most part, I've been shooting the 5D, but I gotta be honest, if I shoot the EOS R for a couple of days or a little bit of time, I find myself feeling like the 5D is not really intuitive enough. And I'm learning to much prefer my EOS R. So here at Secret Waterfall, I took all the pictures on the EOS R. And yeah, I don't know what it is, but I'm definitely preferring the mirrorless system. And I think that eventually, maybe 6 months or a year from now, when Canon starts delivering new EOS R bodies, I'll probably get rid of the 5D Mark IV and just go totally mirrorless, because I am definitely finding I prefer this system.
I can see what we are, don't know where we belong. Wanna know what you're thinking, wanna know if something's missing. Started stories before, but they ended up short. Get me up to higher places, want you to fill my pages. Is this for real or is it just a fantasy? Are we from now or is it really meant to be? Are you still in my arms when we've read out all the parts of this?
Woo! We are down on the black sand beach here at Vic, and this is one of the most dangerous places in Iceland because the waves just come up and they can be massive and they can be sneaky and they can just suck people out to sea. And magically, every time I come here, there's always people just playing in the water over there. It shocks me. One of the things I'm learning about being here in January is because there's only a window of daylight from, 11 in the morning until 3 in the afternoon, everybody's at the spots that photographers tend to have to themselves at sunset because, well, yeah, because the tours are still running and because the number's so limited. So even though tourism's really quiet in January in Iceland, it seems almost just as busy. So we're here, we're gonna stay safe, we're gonna keep our eyes on everybody, and hopefully I'm gonna get a picture.
Parts of this story. Far past the epilogue, will I still be in your heart in this story? Are you still in my arms when we've read out all the parts of this story? Far past the epilogue, will I still be in your heart in this story? Wanna feel something deep? Do I really need your saving? You're the one on time I've wasted. Now the story is new, just a chapter or two. Will it be the same at the end? Don't want it to finish if we end. Is this for real or is it just a fantasy?
We're having fun down at the beach. I think everybody is a little bit cautious of the waves because it seems calm, and then out of nowhere the waves hit you. In fact, I had the tripod set up on a shot I was hoping to happen, and then this wave came up and I was firing away. I got the shot, and then this wave hit me almost waist high. It hit me to, yeah, basically I'm soaked. Gumboots are full of water and cold, but I'm happy because I got the shot and I'm happy because I didn't die. That's just winning right there. So yeah, I think sunset's basically done, the light's basically done, and I think everybody's quite happy with the day, the way the day went. We were probably expecting maybe 3 days the entire trip out of 10 days to get really good light and really good photo ops, and we've had the first 3 days have been that already. So I think we're all pretty stoked. Can't have too many, Greg, because we're driving.
Why are you being so nice?
You're right, you don't get one.
Still in my arms when we've read out all the parts of this story.
Okay, we've made it into the hotel room. It was a good day, and I've now found the reddest chair in the world to end this video. Before I end the video though, today's contest, as you might know, from the 100,000 subscribers fiasco came the idea of 10 days of giveaway. It's now day 2 of 10 days of giveaway, and I'm gonna give something away. This one's a really easy contest. You head to my Facebook group. There's a link in the description for basically the thread, and on that thread in the Facebook group, we're having a photo contest. The theme is seasons, so I want you guys to post your absolute best photo of seasons, or under the theme seasons. And the winner of that will win a pair of these Valorette gloves that I should have prepared for me, but I left in the car. You know the photography gloves that I wear everywhere that have the finger hole? They're awesome. My friends at Valorette are giving them away, and I think you're gonna love them. So head over to my Facebook group, join this photo contest, and I guess I'm gonna call this a day. We'll be back in Iceland tomorrow with a lot more fun stuff. So peace, or as Jody says,
Bye!